how to get Windows 10 bootable thumb drive for free. We're going to type in Windows 10 download and come to Windows 10 Microsoft. We're going to come down and click download media creation tool. To get started, you will first need to have a license. Don't worry about this. As long as you have your key code, this isn't even a worry. You can then download and run the media creation tool. For more information how to use the tool, see the instructions below. You really won't need this. I'll even provide the links down below. So download media creation tool. And you're also going to download Rufus. Oh, would you look at that? It's a poopy ad. We're going to exit that ad. Boom, Rufus downloaded. We're going to exit that. Oh, come on. Why is it downloading the second one? You stupid. Straight stupid. There we go. So, first we're going to start with Rufus. You want to tell Rufus to check for application updates? No. Okay, so now that we've got this all installed, we're going to want to make sure we install our Windows. I want to know if you accept. Obviously, if you're doing this, you're going to want to accept. Getting a few things ready. Now while that's happening, we got Rufus already. So once we download this, we're going to use Rufus and put it onto the thumb drive to make the thumb drive a bootable USB. So it'll read the thumb drive just like it would read a disk. Upgrade this PC now? No. What do you want to do? We want to create an installation media USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file for another PC. So we click the one down below, click next. Then depending on your regions, you might want to do 86, 64, or both. Now I'm going to select both. I don't need both actually. We'll just go with the 64-bit. Yeah. Use this recommended PC options. Then we're going to go next. It is needed to be at least 8 gigs. USB. We are going to want to go to make sure I is the USB. And progress is begun. So it looks like Rufus is now out of date. It does not appear that you need Rufus to install it to a thumb drive anymore. Okay, well, it looks like that is useless now because it appears to be installing on the thumb drive flawlessly. So we're going to see right now if that actually works. And if it does, bingo bongo, it's one less thing you have to do. use the tool. Well, it appears that I was wrong about Rufus. It does not appear to be needed anymore. Before you download the tool, to make sure you have an internet connection. Obviously. Sufficient data storage available on a computer. Well, that's silly. USB or external drive for download. Well, that's what we're using. A blank USB drive with at least 8 gigs of space, or a blank DVD and DVD burner if you want to create media. We recommend using a blank USB or blank DVD because any content will be deleted. Burning a DVD from an ISO file. If you are told the disk image is too large, you will need to use a dual layer DVD. Check a few things. If your PC wants to install Windows 10, that you have a 64-bit or 32-bit processor, aka CPU. You'll create either a 64-bit or 32-bit version. We chose the 64. Do check on your PC settings or system and control panel and look at system data type. System requirements. Make sure the PC meets the system requirements for Windows 10. Well, I mean, pretty much any computer can install Windows 10 at this point. It's pretty ridiculous. We also recommend going to a PC manufacturer's website for additional info for updated drivers and hardware compatibility. How much longer is this? 66%. We are near done. I will even show you how to get cheap Windows 10 product key. Trying to remember the website I used to buy Windows 10. It's been so long. Well, how much time do we got? 85%. So this is far too much. We're trying to avoid paying this kind of price. What we want will be more like $15. So let's see, we've got Postmark. So I don't trust anything that says only $10. That seems way too cheap. Oh, look at that Microsoft 10 professional license key. A lifetime activation and genuine license for Microsoft. 90% savings compared to purchases from the Microsoft store. It's not wrong. I mean, I just showed you when it was $100 and I told you we are going to avoid that price. And as you see, they seem pretty legit. Now, I already have a Windows 10 product key because it's going to be the same one that I'm using on the same computer. So I'm doing a fresh installation, that's all. Just a quick factory reset. So then you go to add to cart. Proceed to checkout. And I would just use PayPal. Because if it doesn't work, you can get an easy refund. and I will provide all links for everything down below. Feel free to keep using your PC. Well, it's at 52%, so it's at its second stage now, so we're just going to have to wait. And while that is happening, I'm going to go ahead and minimize. Okay. This does take a little bit of time. So while this is happening, I would make sure that if you're doing this on another computer, that you use this time to pull everything from the PC you need to keep, from game data to logs to whatever you feel you might need to keep, because you will lose everything when you factory restore your computer or do a fresh installation. So to avoid doing that, make sure you pull everything you need off your thumb drive. Off your computer onto your thumb drive. Or if you're lucky and have an external hard drive, wish this was going faster, don't you? Yeah, you used to need to use something like Rufus, because you would use your Rufus to turn your thumb drive into a bootable USB. But it looks like I didn't need to. So I'm going to close that and say rip Rufus isn't really needed. Yeah, when you did stuff like Windows 7, it was definitely needed, but looks like they oh, why did I close that out? I need that. So I need to provide this link in the description for the video. So go here. No, I've used X keys for a few things before. I've used a couple other websites too. If you guys have any problems with this working, please be free to, email me. Maybe I can help you out. And then copy this. And now those both links will be provided down below in the video. It's 84%. I do apologize about the speed of my computer. It is not running as fast as I would like it to on this. your USB flash drive is ready. Finish. Now we're going to go ahead and launch computer. Shoot. And as you see, we now have everything we need. So you then click Setup. And then that's it. The next video will begin on that. You would click, I want help to make installation windows better. No, you just click next. And it goes checking for updates. And then that's, you let it install. The next stream will begin on, oh, no, we want to stop that from actually happening. Yes, we want to quit because we don't actually want to. We don't actually want to do that.